Welcome to Mental Matrix with EJD. In this video, I'll be talking about how to multiply by 11 smartly. Now, follow me. If you want to multiply 23 by 11, for instance, all you just need to do is to, of course, you have the 23 here, right? So all you need to do is write the first two and the last three, then add the two together, 2 plus 3. That is 5 here. And if answer is simply 253. So to multiply 23 by 11, the answer is 253. Then we go for the next one, which is 782 times 11. Now here you have 7 to start, and rather starting to 7 and the last 2. And then you can go like this. 2 plus 8. All right, that is 10. So of that 10, you write this 0. And then, of course, 1 is waiting to be added to what next you have. So 7 plus 8 is 15. So 15 plus that one will give 16. So of that 16, you still have another one to carry down here. So 1 plus 7 now will have to give you 8. So when you do this, your answer is 8602. Okay, so we move to the next one. 47 plus 11. Again, you have 4 and you have the beginning 4, right? And you have 7. So so now 7 plus 4 is 11. So you write 1 and that one can go and be added to 4, and then here you have 5. So 47 plus 11 is 517. Next, we have 135 times 11. So again, you have 1, you have 5. 135 times 11. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So the 8 comes down here. Uh, Maybe I shouldn't even write it up there because we get the straight 8 when you add 3 and 5. So next, you have 3 plus 1. So this 3 plus 1 now just gives you 4. So then you have the 1 here. So everything just goes as 1485. So 135 times 11 is 1485. Next, we have 29 times 11. So you have 2 and you have 9. Okay. Now 9 plus 2 is 11. So you have the 1 here. Then the remaining one will be added to this 3. And then 3 is gone and you have 3. 2 is gone and you have 3. That means you have 319 when you multiply 29 by 11. So tell me, what do you get when you multiply 563 by 11? So for more tips like this on how to do some of the smart things very fast, in your brain, even without writing anything down, to follow this channel, subscribe to the channel, and you get more of it. Till I come your way again, keep doing maths right. Bye.